Hey there, collective! Kamusta? Yan. So, may mga nakita ko, no, na nagtatanong sila kung anong oras ma-upload, na mga ganyan, no. By the way, mga babes, maraming salamat sa presence ninyo rito, no. Pero yun nga, I encourage you to subscribe para ma-hit mo yung bell. Okay? Kasi alam ko kailangan mag-subscribe muna para mapindot mo yung bell. Yan, no. Try nyo pa rin, no. Pindutin mo na yung bell kung ayaw ninyo mag-subscribe. So, yun nga, no, ang role kasi nun, no, is for you to be updated and get notified, no, kapag meron tayong upload. No, alam niyo naman, every day may upload tayo. Yan. Oh, looks like parang nagwawala yung ating cards. Parang gusto niya magsisabugan. Parang meron itong gustong sabihin. Let's see. It's like a bottle. 5 of Wands energy. Maaring ito yung bottle na nakakapagod. Not literally na it's a war or something here na away-away talaga, no? Pero I think it's a bottle right here, like a challenge or conflict, okay? Or like a test na kailangan paglabanan. So, I think this is something here more likely related. Kaya siguro gusto magsisabugan kasi maaring may gustong sabihin sa inyo ang inyong mga angels and guides, particularly sa situation na yan na kailangang pagtagumpayan. So, alamin natin yan. Ano ba yung klase na yan? And you need to make a decision right here. Judgment energy. A big decision here. Maybe, kung lalaban ba dito or susuko ba dito? So, let's see. Thank you, Archangel Michael, together with the angels and guides. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out more informations. Kung sino man tong energy na to, no, parehas dito na parang pakiramdam ninyong dalawa, no, bago kayo napunta sa piling ng isa't isa, galing kayo sa klase ng connection or relationship, no, na parang feeling ninyo namatay kayo. Ganun yung energy. No, parang namatay yung puso ninyo or parang kayo to, no, na broken-hearted kayo ng sobra sa inyong previous na naka-in relationship, no. Pero, noon yon, no? Pwedeng parehas kayo dito ng pinagdaanan when it comes to love, no? But the sun, already, ayan, no? Is, ayan, no? Sumikat na rito. So, ibig sabihin, no? Meron na rito new beginning. So, nakita ko rito na posibleng may connection na kayo nitong tao na to, no? Or baka kayo na. Or baka may relationship na kayong dalawa nitong person na to. Ayan. So, kung sino man tong energy na to, nakikita ko rito that both of you is coming up as a wish fulfillment. Itong pagtatagpo ninyong dalawa, no, is a wish fulfillment for the both of you. Two of Wands energy. Yan. So, this is a fated meeting right here. And this is appearing here as wish being fulfilled. Fulfillment of wish ninyong dalawa. So, nakita ko rito na parehas kayo rito na nagtagpo at nagmula sa isang masalimuot na pag-ibig at natagpuan ang inyong mga sarili, no? Muli sa piling naman ng isa't isa, no? So, eto kayo na parehas kayo rito na ng pinagdaanan sa inyong past relationships at muli kayo rito nabuhayan ng loob when it comes to love after meeting each others. So, taray, latag naman na natin lahat. Yes, I'm seeing a lot of twos, twos, twos. So, whatever the case may be, you could be seeing a lot of number twos. Angel number 222 is an indication that your soulmate is already in your life or is about to enter your life or already approaching you. So, just take how this resonates. 2 is a very powerful indication. Angel number, spiritual number that your partner is coming to you. Yan, no? Coming to you or already in your life. See another two, 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 two. Wow! Alam mo sa lahat ng mga tarot, ito yung favorite kong Two of Cups. Kasi dito sa Two of Cups na to, tinan mo naman yan. Yan, no? You feel safe and sound whenever you are with this person. At ganun din siya sa'yo. Very comforting. This person's love and affection, no, is, ang love language niya is yung hugging, being always there for you. This person here is somewhat romantic. Someone who will stays by your side no matter what happened. And you're still holding this cup. Tinan mo, magkayakap kayo dyan, pero hawak niyo yung two cups, no? At yan, no? So you're not someone here na bibitiwan ng itong klase ng connection na to. At ganun din siya. Hindi rin niya bibitiwan ang ganitong klase ng connection. We have here Three of Coins energy. Right at the heart of this reading is the Nine of Swords. But what I love about this Nine of Swords, pinaglalabanan. You know, pinaglalabanan rito no ang something. Okay? So, ilatag naman natin lahat para makakuha tayo ng ibang information. Ooh, we have here the King and the Queen of Coins. So, kung sino man yan, divine counterpart, this is really a fated meeting over here. We've got the King and the Queen of Coins energy. Both are grounded. Both are faithful with each other. Not just loyal, but faithful with each other, especially when it comes to love. A lot of honesty in this type of connection. You're being truthful with each other and you are always open. So, maaaring lagi kayo nag-uusap, heart-to-heart conversation. So, okay. Beautiful. Strength card. I think there's something here. Oh! Okay. So, hey there mga may loves collective. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in the channel. No, personally nakakaalam na ba't binabanggit yung collective. Kasi para yun sa kahit na anong zodiac sign. Yan, no? So, ano man ang zodiac sign mo, welcome ka rito, babes. No? Kung makaresonate ka, then please apply this into your own unique situation. Okay? So, wala tayong gender dito, ba, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. You can flip rose if you want because this is general reading right here. However, okay, meron kayo ditong free will at malaya kayong gamitin yan. Okay? So, dito, nakikita ko kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, you both met each other here. Pwedeng, nung nagkakilala kayo, wrong timing yun before, or kaya wrong timing kasi parehas kayong heartbroken, dahil na heartbroken kayo sa failed relationship, sa mga naka-relationship ninyong past lovers ninyo, ano, you thought that person here is someone na makakasama mo dun sa tinatawag na road to forever, no, pero hindi pala. You got broken-hearted right here, you lost your trust for that person, and you also lost your trust para sa mga susunod na darating. But for some reason, you find each other different. Whoever this guy or whoever this girl right here that you've met or that you will meet right here, the sun is rising in the east, no? From the east, I'm seeing that this connection here will give you that feeling na ang sarap palang ulit magmahal. Ang sarap palang magmahal pag wala kang inaalala na kahit na ano. So, ibig sabihin, this is something here that you will find so calming, safe and sound sa piling ng isa't isa, no? Maaring dun sa inyong past relationship, there are a lot of turbulence, no? Wala tayo sa airplane. Pero may mga turbulence kayong naranasan sa inyong mga past relationships, no? So, this is a wish fulfillment here for the both of you. answered prayer because you are already into this type of connection here na ito talaga yung gusto mo, no? Yung hindi nakakapagod, no? Tao na hindi nakakapagod intindihin kasi hindi siya yung nagdadala ng problema. So, lumalabas lamang na yung past relationships mo is nagdala ng maraming sanga-sangang problema sa buhay mo. And after meeting this new person here, you feel like your life changed. 360 degrees turn of events. Especially sa love life area mo. Mas ginaganahan ka na pumasok sa work, mas ginaganahan ka dito na ayusin pa yung sarili mo. A lot of positive energy, happy energy, no? Para kang pinapalibutan ng mga smiley emoticons or emojis, no? So, nakikita ko dito, no, that both of you is ganun. You find healing with each other. You find each other very comforting. I'm seeing you clinging with each other. And why not? You are each other's person. It's okay for you to hug that person unlimited. It's okay for you to kiss that person unlimited. It's okay for you to do everything right here. Shh, unlimited. Because that is your person. Diba? So, nakita ko na parehas kayong ganyan. There's a lot of love flowing here, there, here. So, nakita ko dito, no, na itong klase ng connection na to, no, is bago sa'yo. And for some reason, even though this is a new energy here, gusto mo tong energy na to. Kasi you feel that sense of kalmado lang, kontento lang, hindi ka nag-aalala, walang ganun eh. You do not worry about the situation. And I'm seeing you right here na yung iba sa inyo kakonect nyo na ito, no, medyo matagal-tagal na rin kayo, lumipas na rin yung ilang buwan dito, no, at ang ganda ng partnership. Three of Coins energy. Ang ganda ng partnership ninyong dalawa. May pagtutulungan, no? Trabaho man, no? Hindi lang love life, no? Pati sa personal ninyong buhay, no? Accepted ka ng family niya, accepted ka ng friends niya. Ganun din siya sa side mo, no? Yung nakikita ko rito. May mga kinakaharap rin kayo rito ng mga problems, no? Sa inyong relationship. No? Pero, palagi niyo yung napagtatagumpayan. Diba? Palagi niyo yung napaglalabanan. So, o magulo na yung mesa pero yaan nyo lang mga babes. Huwag lang kayo tumingin sa screen. Kung nahihilo kayo. So yung mga babes, pakinggan nyo lang yung mga sinasabi ko rito. So nakita ko rito na kung sino man tong kakonect ninyo, parehas kayo nagbubuga ng energy that you are both willing to fight for this connection. So marami na kayo ditong pinagdaanan, no? At palagi ninyong nalalampasan itong bagay na to. Why? Because you are both grounded. You are both faithful with each other. King of Pentacles, no? And the Queen of Pentacles energy. Divine counterpart, you both see each other as your true soulmate here. And yes, you are each other's true soulmate. Both of you really want to work things out. Both of you focuses on the bright side. That's why nalalampasan ninyo ang lahat ng pagsubok, napaglalabanan ang lahat ng pagsubok, at ang lahat ng pagsubok ay nagmumukhang gapuwing at gatuldok lamang dito dahil sa inyong malupitang partnership. Ito yung teamwork na tinatawag talaga na bonggang-bonggang teamwork. Kaya nakikita ko dito that with the strength card right here, ito lang. Marami na kayong pinagdaanan, hindi kayo bumitaw sa kamay ng isa't isa. Marami na rin kayong nalampasan dito at lahat ng problema ay naging gapuwing at gatuldok lamang, no? But spirits are saying here, sending you the signal that there is something here big coming. Ito yung pinakamalaking challenge sa relationship ninyo. And for a lot of you, hindi pa ito dumadating. So this is something here like a warning. And ako yung medium dito, ginagamit upang iparating ito sa inyo. Strength card. You need a lot of strength to cope up in this type of situation. Okay? Nakita ko rito na ito ay isang malaking pagsubok sa inyo. Ano man ito, iba-iba kayo rito ng sitwasyon, pero ito yung pinakamalaking pagsubok na kakaharapin ninyong dalawa. 9 of Wands energy, 5 of Wands right in there. Misihan, ka lang. Sabi mo na nalampasan na namin lahat ng mga problema na pinagdaanan namin at hindi kami nabuwag or hindi kami nabigo na mapagtagumpayan ito. Yes! And spirits are saying here, sending you advice that there is something huge, huge coming. Biggest challenge sa relationship ninyo. Okay? So, iba-iba kayo rito ng situation, pero binigyan pa rin tayo rito ng clue. Merong isa sa inyo na posibleng humina yung loob. Kumbaga, ganito yan. Isa sa inyo magkakaroon ng problema. Yan. At hindi ko nakikitang tungkol to sa relasyon ninyo. Posibleng may kinalaman nito sa personal na buhay ng isa sa inyo. Either ikaw yun or siya yun. Meron ditong magiging mahina at magiging weak sa mga panahon na yan. To the point na yung kanya ritong energy is matutuon doon sa problema itself kesa doon sa solusyon. Yan. So, binigyan na tayo ng clue na ganun. Meron dito magiging mahina yung loob na posibleng ito yung klase ng connection, no, na susubok talaga, no, dito sa relasyon na ito. Okay? Meron dito magiging mahina, no. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na meron dito na as in magkakaroon ng depression, no, pero maaring may mas-stress, maaring alam mo yun, no, may problema rito ng sobra sa kakaharapin niya in the future. Yan, no. You are appearing as the King of Pentacles energy and the Queen of Pentacles right here. You are always open with each other. Okay? And I think mau-open din yung problema na yun with your partner here. But for some reason, maybe someone here will not tell all the details. Or, maybe this person here will tell that, pero sasabihin niya, okay na, ayos na yun. I don't know what that is exactly, pero maaring yun. Isang pagsubok na kakaharapin ng isa sa inyo na parang ito yung klase ng bagay na hindi mo kinakahiya or hindi ikakahiya ng person na yun. Pero, posibleng hindi niya banggitin lahat ng detalye o sabihin niya na tapos na yung problema na yun, no, nasolusyonan niya na, mga ganun. Pero hindi pa pala. Yan, no? But what I love about the other person is that you both understand each other. Because you are each other's soulmate. You can read each other's faces, expressions, lahat. You can read each other's gestures and actions. Your person here will be to the rescue. Almost muntik na kayo ritong ma-tear apart dahil dyan sa pinakamalaking pagsubok na yan, no, nakakaharapin ng isa sa inyo. Yung isa na pinaka magiging mahina sa kakaharapin niya ditong conflict, no, dito, no, na walang kinalaman sa inyong love life, no, meron siyang personal na kakaharapin dito. Yun ang pinakamalaking pagsubok dito. Okay? Yung to the point na as in, posible talaga na dumating dun sa punto na maisip ng tao na magiging mahina dito na makipagkalas or makipaghiwalay, no? Pero hindi ko nakikita na kasi third party yun, kasi may third party yung isa sa inyo. Hindi, meron siya ditong problemang personal na kakaharapin, no? Na may kinalaman sa personal niyang buhay, no? To the point na sobrang magiging mahina siya dun. Pero dahil soulmate nga kayo ng person mo, kung sino man yung may problema rito, mararamdaman ng isa. Mababasa niya sa mga galawan at iniisip na yun. So, instead na ma-tear apart kayong dalawa rito, I'm seeing that the person who is someone here, no, na hindi siya yung may problema or yung mismong namumroblema doon, that person will be the strength of the one who is the weakest in this type of situation. The one who is the strongest will grab the person's hand, no weakest, and pull that person up. Buntik na kayo rito na mabuwag. Pero dahil pinili ng person mo rito 'no, na alalayan ka. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong klase 'to 'no, pero alam niyo naman na may Diyos at may mga angels and guides rito. Kaya nga nakikita ko na mase-save 'tong connection ninyo. Ano man yung problema, huwag niyo masyadong dibdibin. Siguro isa rin ito na payo sa inyo na huwag kayong masyadong mag-overthink kasi mawawala talaga kayo, madi-distract talaga yung isip ninyo rito. Yun yung nakita ko, eh. Made-distract ka talaga rito to the point na hindi ka makakapag-isip ng solusyon. Magpo-focus ka lang sa problema mo and hindi mo na mapapansin dito pati yung person na nasa tabi mo. Because your mind, no, is already overwhelmed with the problem, no? But your person here will definitely do anything para tulungan ka dito. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, solid team up to, di ba? So, nakita ko dito that instead of breaking, no, ang inyo ritong connection, nakita ko na yung person na mas malakas ang hahatak sa pinaka mahina, no, na soul or energy sa sitwasyon na ito. And both of you will surpass this biggest challenge ever. No? Hindi ko kayo nakikita maghihiwalay rito. Nakikita ko na malalampasan niyo yun. Kung sino man siya, magiging siya yung lakas, no, ng isang mahina rito sa connection. Eh, ang connection na ito, no, ay mauuwi sa Four of Wands energy. Okay? So, dito may matututunan kayo, no? Kasi, naiintindihan ko kayo, no, marami naman talagang problema, pero hindi lahat pare-parehas ng problema. Iba-iba rin yung pag-handle ng mga individual sa mga problema. Iba-iba yung mga pinagdadaanan ng mga tao. So, your feelings are all valid. But I want you to know that instead of distracting yourself thinking and thinking of the problem itself, then focus your attention to the positive side and to the brighter side. Ano man to, na parang magiging mahina ng sobra rito yung energy mo or nitong person na to, sino man yung magiging mahina rito. I want you to hang in there and pray. Because I think God did save this relationship from drowning with the help of the person who is the strongest. Diba? Miracle happens pag kailangan itong mangyari. And both of you are each other's companion for a lifetime. So, no one is letting go of each other's hand up until the end. And that huge conflict or challenge the will be that end point, no, ng doubts at lahat ng mga hesitation, no. And dito kasi pagka-overwhelm ka na ng problema, parang di mo na napapansin yung mga nasa paligid mo, no. So, this is yung may marirealize ka, kung ikaw man yung magkakaroon ng problema dito or kung yung person na ninyo, may marirealize dito yung nagkaroon ng problema na hindi na ito mauulit-ulit. Okay? Parang after mong ma-save dito or kung sino man yung na problema dito, marirealize mo, no, that you almost lose your person pala because of this. Pero, nakikita ko na malalampasan ninyo ito together. Okay? So, two heads are really better than one. Ba? So, yeah. Ito yung mga mensaheng nakuha ko here for you guys. Thank you so much for your time spent here and sarang love and light.